Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this mug in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay. Then I'm going to select the top plane, go to the normal plane and taking the extruded boss. Then I'm selecting the circle and sketch it. It will be 3 inch. Okay, exit it. Then it will be upward also 3 inch. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the extrude cut, click on this surface and go to here, select the normal plane, then taking the circle again and sketch it. It will be 2.7 inch. Then exit it. Then the depth also 2.75 inch. Okay, done. Then I'm going here and select the surface. Okay, then I'm taking the right plane and go to the normal plane, then going to the reference geometry and plane, and I'm taking it 1.4 millimeter, sorry, 1.4 inch. Okay, done. Then I'm going to sketch and taking the circle and sketch circle from here. It will be 0.3 inch. Then exit it. Then I'm going to select the front plane, normal plane, and I'm going here, select this portion, then taking the line and here I'm in the center point of the circle and sketch it. It will be 0.5 inch. 0.5 inch. Okay, go and come to the initial point and it will be curved automatically. Then I'm coming up to this point. Okay, then here, then exit it. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the features and select the swift boss, click here, another click on this path, then thin will be 0.02 inch. Okay, done. Then I'm going here, select this portion, you are watching it. Then I'm going to select the fillet and click on this, then click on the surface and another face, then another face, another surface. Okay, then I'm selecting the fillet again and select the constant radius, click on this corner and on this corner, on this corner, and the radius is 0.1 inch. Okay, done. Okay, you are watching it. Then I'm selecting this portion and go to the section view. You are watching this here in a hand. You are watching it is will be the hole. Okay, cross it. Then I'm going to select the materials. I'm going here, taking the copper or aluminum. I'm selecting the aluminum. Okay, polished aluminum is selected. Then I'm taking the color. I'm taking this color. Okay, I'm taking this color for all section. Then I'm selecting it. Then okay, before I'm going here, selecting the aluminum, polished aluminum is selected for all section. I'm selecting by pressing the control and click here. Then I'm selecting again this color. Okay, done. You're watching it. Watching. Control 8, Control 7. Then I'm watching again. I'm selecting here and section view. You are watching it. Okay, cross it. Then I'm click here and section view is watching. Okay, done. Then I'm selecting this portion and select it. You are watching this portion in a section view. Okay, then I'm going here and select this portion. You are watching it, the solid. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe.